Sa British Columbia, suporta sa internationally trained health professionals ang itinutulak ng ilang organisasyon sa probinsya. Hakbang daw para tugunan ang labor shortage sa sektor. Ang detalye sa ulat na ito. Sa Vancouver, marami pa raw health professionals ang underemployed. Kaugnay nito, hatid ng Filipino BC at Success ang isang pagpupulong kamakailan, suporta sa internationally educated health professionals na nais magtrabaho o mag-transition sa pag-practice ng kanilang propesyon sa Canada.
We don't have a shortage of healthcare providers. Particularly, we have immigrants who are here working as fast food workers, as caregivers, as Uber drivers. And all of these jobs are respectable jobs, but these are also accredited doctors and nurses in the countries that they come from. And so when we're talking about a shortage of in healthcare, we need to be talking about expediting the pathways to getting these people recredited.
Ayon kay Jay Cavales, Community Liaison Officer sa Success, sa tulong ng partial funding mula sa Employment and Social Development Canada at ng Foreign Credential Recognition Program ng gobyerno, umaasiste raw sila sa internationally educated nurses na permanent residents o Canadian citizen na malampasan ang mga balakid sa credential recognition at manavigate ang Canadian healthcare job option.
Train sila, bibigyan sila ng Canadian workplace training, bibigyan sila ng understanding as to how the wage subsidies support works. Kasi meron din kasing wage subsidy component ng program wherein we partner with employers, we provide them the job, the work experience placement that they need. And that is just to level the playing field. Kasi yung nangyayari sa employers kasi ngayon, number one, ang pinaka-barrier talaga ng IEHPs is they'd be looking for Canadian experience.
Meron daw libreng focus study groups at subsidized work experience placements upang makamtan ng participants ang career equity, financial autonomy at stabilidad sa bansa. Sa pagpapalaganap ng ganitong inisyatibo, layon daw ng mga organisasyong maibsan ang kakulangan ng healthcare workers sa British Columbia.
Admittedly, meron talagang labor shortage, but the pathway to securing a job or maybe to getting a license, hindi siya as straightforward as what we think it is. The program is very fluid because we continue to address the gaps.